Good luck, Mr. Payne.
Yeah, you're gonna get squished.
This is an outrage. I have to fight that. Yep, good luck. Now you will know why your name is Mike Payne, because you're going to be in a lot of pain after you've been smoking crack. No, he's addicted to sunflower seeds.
You're gonna be squished.
Ding ding. Mike Payne running away from Bulldozer. He don't want nothing to do with this guy.
Oh, well, you think he's gonna get in pain.
Well, yeah.
Pain pills, please.
Ding me pain pills. I think Mike Payne's gonna truly live up to his name tonight. Oh, he tries to run into him. Uh-oh. Can we see a suplex? Oh, and we did. Nice suplex by Bulldozer onto Mike Payne outside the ring. Nope, shoulder's not down. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here's a submission here. This is Tim's submission that almost snapped on Kid X's leg in half.
You know, kid!
No.
Well, you know the move has no reversal. No, it's hard to reverse. Let's see if Mike Payne's gonna tap out. Kid X failed to tap out and almost got his leg broken. Oh, Mike Payne got out of it, I think. But I actually think he has to let go.
That was just when the shoes come.
Yeah, I would say boots, but he's wearing shoes. Yeah. Oh.
That was a nasty.
Yeah, he missed that elbow drop off the ring.
Oh, what is he doing?
Oh! 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 Damn! Looked like he was trying for a Boston crab, but couldn't get his leg up quite over him.
Oh, shit.
My PG-13 just went away. Yeah, HBWA was never PG. Why is Grandma coming back out here? Man, last time I seen that old man, he was freaking... Oh, he just slapped Mike Payne in the ass. Mickey Proven's gonna be upset for that one. He just slapped Mike Payne in the ass. Now Mike Payne didn't... Mike Payne didn't really like that slap to the ass.
I don't think Jason wants to be violated.
Where you want to see Mickey Frugan?
Surprised the slap to the butt didn't bring him out. Mike Payne's got him in a side headlock here. Oh, he rakes Mike Payne's eyes. Mike Payne. Oh, there's a shot to the gut by Bulldozer on the Payne. Slams his head into the ring. Slams his head into the ring again. Oh, and the DDT. Oh, he did a splash. He missed the big man splash. Mike Payne, what's he trying to do? He's trying to apply, looks like a figure four to the big man. Yeah, I don't think the figure four is going to be applied to this big man. And Mike Payne having trouble here. He's like, forget the submission. Hey, what's Mike Payne doing? This is a false count anywhere match. What's Mike Payne getting? Mike Payne's got a chair.
Come on.
Oh, shot to the gut on the chair. Oh, he just hit him in the back with the chair. Don't try to roll him over. There's a pin.
1, 2.
Oh, he kicks out. Mike Payne not going to put this guy away too easily. Oh, Mike Payne getting to his feet. Oh, Bulldozer going to slam him down. Oh, great. He's got him on his. Got him. Oh! And there's the splash.
1, 2.
And your winner.